I almost didn't record this one. Hi, I'm Kangshi and I am an actor. Being an actor in 2026 is just simply not that easy. At least not for me. Someone who's been in Mumbai for 3 years trying all kind of things, have done almost all kind of things, theater to short film to verticals to music videos and everything. I still feel like I am in a maze and I do not know how to navigate myself through it. And it's been 6 months to 2026, and I still figured that I haven't really achieved anything in my life from the past 3 years and for the 6 months as well. Last year was a very great year for me as work wise, but this year it has been completely blank. And to change that, I have realized that I am gonna have to just give myself a task, put myself out in the people's view, like shame myself on that and not doing anything, because every day I go like I'll do it tomorrow, oh I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. I almost did this video like I'll do it, I'll come back in the evening. But now I'm gonna record this. I'm gonna record this right now because I'm feeling very emotional right now. I'm feeling very low right now. I just had a call with my mom and she's like, you're not doing anything from the past. Like she has been calling me every day, and when she sees her child sitting at home every other day, not going out for any kind of work, she herself also feel like, oh, what is she doing there? Is she not applying to it? Like serials में apply करो, यहाँ apply करो, वहाँ apply करो, कुछ भी करो, like do some work, be a director's assistant, like be a casting intern, whatever you can, just like do the work. And I agree with her and I kind of do apply that, but I'm doing it in a very like second hand basis. Like I'm just sitting in the passenger seat and letting someone else drive the, like letting whatever the situation out there drive the whole thing, instead of me going out and try and giving my damnedest heart to figure out this thing. So I have decided now that's what I'm gonna do. It's like I'm gonna keep a track record of every day what I did as an actor to improve my career and to get something and to be where I want to be, because I have the vision clear. What I want to be, where I want to be, what kind of work I want to do. It's a vision clear. I just need to follow up this process and plan. And I'm gonna do that now. Like I'm gonna record every single minute of the day. Also, this will help me to get out of my this whole frenzy of recording on camera, because I feel like I'm a bit of like camera awkward. I'm not shy, but I'm awkward. Like whenever camera is on, I suddenly become this person who has to say something in a particular way. I'm not my normal self. Like my self becomes very उस तरीके से. So I'm gonna change that as well. There's gonna be an iLog or vlog, whatever we could be, but we're gonna track record of every day, like how my whole morning schedule is, what did I do, my vocal exercises, my acting exercises, where did I apply, where which production houses visit to. I'm gonna literally record everything or that, because I really have to give myself the testament of that, because I also believe ki if I will not push myself to this, no one else will, and no one else is coming gonna shout out it for me. My mom just simply cut the call today. She started telling me, and I was just busy doing something, recording this whole content or something like that, and she just cut the call, and I felt the worst in my entire, like, this is so bad, and I'm not gonna go through this again. So tomorrow onwards, we're gonna go on full on such. Not tomorrow onwards. In fact, today onwards, I'm gonna right now. Today's 19th June 2026. Today is day one of that. So we're gonna sort out our profile and send it to all the casting directors, which I'm gonna mention in tomorrow's video, hopefully. But this is gonna be a day one of half of 2026, because I really want to change where I am in 2026. I wanna it to be changed, because if I'll not, I've also realized ki the more I stay in this state of just being struggling, or in this constant state of just like figuring out things, I'm rotting inside. Like the whole idea of just being an actor has taken the life out of me. I was this person when I came to Mumbai who was jolly, who loved earth, who loved nature, who loved everything about life. Suddenly I've become this person whose entire life is about acting, and she's not even doing great at that. And I do not want to be this person. I hate this person, I despise this person. I'm not living my life, I'm not traveling, I'm not going out with friends, I'm not enjoying, I'm also not even acting. I do not know what am I doing. It's just like we want to sort out all these things in this journey, because I owe it to myself, and so I'm gonna make you sure do it. And if you're someone as well who's finding it hard, you're welcome to see what I do. And if a nahi, there is no if in that. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it as good as we can. So yes, come on my journey. So today's first day. Today's like right now it's like 6:30 or something, but we're gonna send our profiles to all the casting directors today by midnight. I have to go somewhere because I need an out. But after that, we're gonna do that, and then from tomorrow morning we're gonna do everything recorded. Like सुबह से शाम तक मैं क्या कर रही हूँ सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए मुझे, सब कुछ दिमाग में होना चाहिए, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं अच्छा आज यहाँ निकल गया, अच्छा नहीं आज वहाँ निकल गया। ऐसे अब नहीं चलेगा, और क्योंकि ऐसे चला तो फिर मैं काम नहीं कर सकती यहाँ पे, बिकॉज सर्वाइविंग इन मुंबई इज टफ एंड आई हैव बीन लॉस्ट इन ऑल दिस frenzy as well of being an actor. Like there is so many things of just being an actor in 2026, and specifically in Bombay. It's like maintain your profile portfolio, then click good pictures, amazing pictures, some pictures where you look really appealing to the people and to the audience as well. And as a woman it really matters. People have come up to me and told me like, click some good pictures, you're not as appealing in the pictures as you are in real life. Your Instagram is not as appealing to someone as in real life. They expect me to have pata nahi kitne million followers, which I don't have on Instagram because I do not like this showing up thing. But that's what I have to do because I'm in this business and I would really do it everything which I would need to be a good actor. I think I am a good actor right now. I just need to show my skills. I need to hone my skills so much. So yes, come up to me with that journey and I'll see you on the other side of it. And also like, sorry, I was just supposed to end, but I was also had this, I missed topic. Like there is also this whole frenzy idea of like which line should I go, like content creation, this and that, and I almost got lost myself in this whole content creation plague and realized ki, I'm not a content creator, I cannot be a content creator. I can take it as side hustle and I wanted to have an independent thing in my life. But the main thing that I really want to be is an actor. And I'm gonna be everything. I'm gonna be an actor, I'm gonna be the content creator, I'm gonna just be the freaking hell what I want to be. So, yeah, that's me. I'm Kanchi Mishra, an actor in Mumbai from Lucknow. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.